In the frontal collision test of the ID.7, the passenger compartment remained stable, and dummy data indicated effective protection for both the driver and passenger. Volkswagen stated that a similar level of protection would be provided to passengers with various body sizes and sitting positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the vehicle received maximum points, ensuring good protection for critical body areas of both the driver and the rear passenger. The ID.7 demonstrated good protection performance in side barrier and side pole impact tests. The control over the body's excursion to the other side of the vehicle in a side impact was sufficient. The ID.7 incorporates a specific countermeasure to reduce occupant-to-occupant injuries in collisions, and this countermeasure was successful in the Euro NCAP test. Front seats and head restraints provide effective protection against neck injuries in rear-end collisions. The ID.7's e-call system notifies emergency services in the event of a crash. The vehicle includes a system that applies brakes post-collision to prevent secondary impacts. Volkswagen demonstrated that in the event of submersion, locked doors could be opened within 2 minutes of power loss, and electric windows would remain operational long enough for occupants to escape. In both the frontal offset and side barrier tests, effective protection was provided to all critical body areas for both child dummies, and the Volkswagen ID.7 scored maximum points in this part of the assessment. The front passenger airbag can be disabled to allow a rearward-facing child restraint to be used in that seating position. Clear information is provided to the driver regarding the status of the airbag, and the system was rewarded. The ID.7 is equipped with child presence detection, a system that issues a warning when it recognizes that a child or infant has been left in the car. All of the child restraint types for which the ID.7 is designed could be properly installed and accommodated in the car. The active bonnet feature of the ID.7 provides more clearance to the hard structures underneath by lifting the hood in the event of a pedestrian collision. Volkswagen demonstrated that the system operates robustly at different speeds and for various sizes of pedestrians. In collision tests, head protection was generally good or adequate. ID.7 achieved successful performance in all test areas, earning maximum points. Volkswagen's automatic emergency braking (AEB) system can respond to vulnerable road users. In the response to cyclists, the system received successful points for warning or preventing door opening. The AEB system demonstrated successful performance in its response to motorcyclists. In summary, the autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system of the Volkswagen ID.7 generally performed well in tests, particularly in head-on collision scenarios. The seatbelt reminder system is standard for both front and rear seats, and the driver monitoring system can detect distraction and fatigue. The lane support system gently corrects the vehicle's path to prevent drifting out of lane and intervenes in more critical situations. The speed assistance system recognizes the local speed limit, and the driver has the option to allow the limiter to be automatically set by the system.